How to upload longer reels on Instagram. Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to guide you that how you can upload longer reels on Instagram. So let's dive in. First, open your Instagram app and then you have to just slide to the story, and here you have this option of reel. Choose this option and now just open your gallery. Now here you can see I have this video that is 90 seconds longer. I'm just going to click this tick over here. And then you have to just click next, and here you can see that this is a 90-second long video and I can post it. So to upload a 90-second reel on your Instagram, you only have to go to your app store, and then on your app store you have to search for Instagram by clicking the search bar and just search for Instagram over here. And now you just have to open your Instagram app and then you have to just update it. You'll see an update button over here in front of open. I have updated my app so I can just post the reel that is 90 seconds longer, and that's why I have this open option. But you'll have an update option over here. You just have to update your Instagram, and the new update brings that you can post any reel that is above 90 seconds too. So that's the process that you can follow to do so. I hope you found the process easy and liked my video, and if you did, please don't forget to like and subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you again.